of times at Buddy, we help clients not just update their website, but also refresh their logo. Now, when it comes time to roll out that new logo, it's important to keep in mind that it's sometimes not as simple as just putting that logo on the website. There's other marketing assets, internal collateral, and stakeholders to keep in mind as well. So in this video, we're going to talk about some quick tips about how to make that rollout process for a new logo simple and effective. Now, when it comes to rolling out a logo, two keys are: one, organize and plan ahead as much as possible for what that logo rollout looks like. And then second, communicate, communicate, communicate. You want to let your stakeholders know, both internally, such as employees or partners, as well as customers, know ahead of time that you're updating your logo. And then as well as when you're actually launching the new logo and afterwards as well. This is really key, both for maintaining control over your brand and making sure people understand why the change is happening, but then also it presents a really great opportunity for touch points with your customers to keep you in mind with them as well. So first off, before you actually roll out a new logo, it's a great chance to let your stakeholders know ahead of time why you're rolling out a new logo, whether it's just your logo is dated, or there are some changes going on with your business, or you want to reposition your company. It's a great chance to communicate the why behind why you're changing your logo, and also to share your vision for where your organization is going, what its values are, and things like that to reinforce your brand. Now, second off, ahead of time, along with communicating with stakeholders, it's time to lay out a game plan of all the different things you'll need to update. So there are a lot of things to think about where you might want to update your logo. So first off are digital assets, such as your website, social media, email signatures, PowerPoints, Google business listings, and online databases. But then beyond that, you're also going to have internal documents where you might use your logo as well. Things like letterhead, invoices, contracts, business cards. You might also have physical items that have your logos, like t-shirts, vehicles, name badges, marketing collateral, physical signs in buildings and other locations, trade show displays or booths. And then finally, don't forget about your actual products. So the products you're selling have your logo as well. So things like your products, your product packaging, labels, container shipping boxes, all are things that might want to have your new logo on them. Now, as you're preparing for the launch and rollout of your new logo, hopefully you've gone through and thoroughly updated all your collateral, all your assets, everything you use your logo. When it comes time and the day to actually roll out that new logo, it's a great chance to share on social media, again, reiterating your new logo, showing it off, talking about your company's values and vision and why you have the new logo. It's a great, great touch point to touch base with your customers and stakeholders and reinforce that brand. A great thing about rolling out a new logo is that the touch points aren't just limited to the day when you go live and share your logo with the world. After the fact too, there are lots of opportunities for further touch points to reinforce your brand and showcase that. For example, if you've rolled out new packaging, you can share photos of your new products with the new logo, photos of new letterhead, business cards, other collateral, things like that. Those are all good chances to show off how you're using the logo, and again, reinforce what you're all about, the value add to customers, and why that new logo reflects who you are and where you're going. Something to keep in mind, of course, when it comes to rolling out a logo is the extent to which you need a communications plan and how appropriate touch points are probably is in correlation with how dramatic the refresh is. For example, if your new logo looks really similar to your existing logo, maybe that communication isn't as important. There might be less chance for confusion, but by comparison, if you're really revamping the logo, it has a different look and feel. If customers or stakeholders might not otherwise recognize it, or they might be confused as far as why things have changed, those are definitely cases where you want to over communicate, not just to make sure you're on the same page, but also, again, a great branding opportunity, a great chance for a touch point as well. If you're looking for help on a logo refresh or other graphic design work or a website revamp, feel free to reach out and let us know. We're happy to chat. You can visit our website at www.buddy.com. www.wdd.com. And on our website, of course, you can learn more about our team, see examples of our work, and also get in touch. Just click on the upper right-hand corner of the Get Started button and answer a few questions. Let us know what you're looking for and how we could possibly help out. And we're happy to chat. No pressure, no obligation. In any case, thanks for watching, and talk to you again soon.